How to install your sliding patio screen door. Before you start your install, let's make sure you have all the right tools and materials. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. First, unpack all the components of your screen door. Now, it's time to measure your door opening from the inside of the track at 4 points. Don't forget to measure from the inside of the track to ensure the most accurate measurement. Before inserting the door into the track, make sure the handle is facing inward. Then, you can go ahead and slide the door into the top of the track first, then lift the wheels to insert the bottom. Adjust the wheels to increase or decrease the height. Remember, twist clockwise to raise the wheels and counterclockwise to lower. Lift the lock handle on the door to the up position. Then, place the latch lock plate into alignment with the door latch and screw to tighten. Lastly, go ahead and test that the door is adjusted and operating properly. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your sliding patio screen door.